You're in a coffee shop, the kind where the chairs creak and the air smells like burnt espresso. Your laptop's open, screen glowing, emails stacking up like unpaid bills. Your phone buzzes. Again, a friend's text, another crisis, another favor. You want to help, you always do, but your head's heavy, like you're carrying their weight, and yours. Ever feel like you're drowning in everyone else's chaos? Like you're the one holding everyone together while you're falling apart? Stoicism whispers, you don't have to. You can choose where your energy flows. This isn't about fixing the world or saving everyone. It's about finding stillness, a moment to breathe, to step back. If you've felt this pull, this weight, leave a sign below. Not for me, not for fame, but so this video finds someone else who needs this pause. You're not alone. That feeling, like you're stretched thin, it's real. You're not failing, you're just human, living in a world that's loud. Too loud. Everyone's got a problem, and somehow, you're the one they call. Stoicism doesn't promise answers. It offers a lens, a way to see. You can't control their choices, their storms, but you can control where you stand. Some people, they don't want help. Not really. They want your time, your energy, your peace, and giving it leaves you empty. This is about knowing when to offer a hand and when to walk away, not out of cruelty, but wisdom. We're going to look at 10 types, 10 kinds of people who drain you, not because they're bad, but because they're not ready for your help. Each one a mirror to moments you've lived. Let's walk through this slowly, together. 1. The unchanging. It's 10 p.m. Your phone lights up. A friend, same story, same complaint. They hate their job, their apartment, their life. You listen. You nod. You offer ideas. Maybe try this. Maybe talk to them. They sigh. Yeah, but. Always a but. You've heard it before. Last week, last month, nothing changes. They're stuck. Not because they can't move, but because they won't. The unchanging. They cling to their comfort. Like a child with a worn-out blanket. Safe, but suffocating. You want to help. You see their potential, but every suggestion, every nudge, hits a wall. They nod. They agree. But they stay, rooted. Stoicism says you can't control their growth. You can offer a map, but they have to walk. Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this. Their refusal isn't your failure. It's their choice. So what do? You set a line, a boundary. You say, I hear you, but you don't dive in. You don't solve it. You ask, what's one thing you could try? Let them think. Let them sit with it. If they push back, you step back, not cold, just clear. Your energy, it's finite. You can't pour it into someone who's content to stay still. Sometimes, the kindest thing is letting them face their own weight. Their storm isn't yours. Breathe. Protect your peace. 2. The taker. You're at your desk, lunch break, 5 minutes of quiet. Then, a ping, a coworker. Hey, can you help with this? It's not their first ask, or their second. They lean on you, every day, every project. You help, because you're kind, because you can, but they never say thanks. They just take and ask again. The taker, they see your kindness as a well, endless. They drink and leave you dry. You feel it, that slow drain, your energy fading, your patience thinning. Stoicism teaches your peace is priceless. You don't owe it to anyone. Epictetus said, it's not what happens, but how you react. The taker thrives because you let them, not out of weakness, but habit. So, Pause, Notice, do they ever give back? Do they value your time? If not, you don't have to say yes. A simple, I'm swamped, or can you try this first? It's not harsh. It's honest. You're not their crutch. You're not their fix. Set a limit. 1 favor, not 10. 1 hour, not all day. Watch how they react. If they guilt you, that's a sign they don't want help. They want control. Your energy, it's yours. Got it? Give where it's valued, not where it's expected. Step back, feel the lightness. You're not abandoning them, you're choosing you. 3. The blamer. You're grabbing coffee. A friend's late. They sit down, and it starts. My boss screwed me all. My roommate's a mess. Life's unfair. Everything's someone else's fault, never theirs. You try to help. Maybe you could talk to them. They cut you off. You don't get it. The blamer? They point outward. Always. Their job. Their friends. The world. But never the mirror. You listen. You care. But it's heavy. Their anger. It clings. It pulls you in. Stoicism says, you can't control their story. Only how you respond. Marcus Aurelius wrote, the happiness of your life depends on your thoughts. The blamer chooses blame, not solutions. You can't change that. So, what do? Don't argue. Don't fix. Ask, what can you do about it? Shift the wait back to them. If they dodge, that's their path, not yours. Set a boundary. I can listen, but I can't solve this. Be clear. Be calm. Their chaos, it's not your burden. You don't have to carry it. Step away. Feel the air. Lighter. You're not their judge or their savior. You're just you. Protect your peace. Let them face their mirror. 4. The spotlight seeker. You're at a bar. Friends laughing. One voice cuts through. Loud. Always theirs. They're telling a story. Again, it's about them. Always them. You try to share. They interrupt. Their drama. Their win. Their pain. The spotlight seeker. They crave eyes. Ears. Attention. Not help. You offer advice. They nod. But they don't hear. They just want applause. It's exhausting. Like you're a prop. In their show, Stoicism reminds you, your time, it's gold. Don't spend it on someone who's blind to you. Marcus Aurelius said, waste no more time arguing what a good man should. Be one. That means choosing who gets your energy. So, how do you handle them? Don't feed the stage. Don't clap. Ask, what do you think you'll do? Let them talk. But don't dive in. Set a limit. 5 minutes, not an hour. If they push, smile, step back. I've got to run. Your presence, it's not their fuel. Give it to those who see you, not just their reflection. Walk away. Feel the quiet. You're not their audience. You're your own story. 5. The time. Thief. It's Sunday. You're one slow morning. You're sipping coffee. Phone rings. A friend. Just a quick chat. An hour later, they're still talking. Their plans. Their stress. Your day. Slipping away. The time thief. They don't see your clock. Your needs. Your space. They take and take. Until you're drained. Stoicism says, your time, it's your life. Got it. Seneca wrote, it's not that we have a short time, but that we waste it. The time thief doesn't value what you value, so protect it. Say, I've got 10 minutes. Mean it, or let's catch up later. Be firm, not rude. Make a list, your priorities, your peace. Stick to it. When they push, don't bend. Your time, it's not theirs to take. Try this. Next time they call, ask, what's the one thing you need? Focus them, then step away, feel the hours, yours again, You're not selfish. You're wise. Choose your moments, not their demands. 6. The ignorer. You're on a call, a colleague, asking for advice. Again, you share, you explain, they nod, thanks. Next week, same problem, same call, the ignorer. They hear, but they don't listen. Your words, they vanish, like smoke. You wonder, why bother? It's like shouting into a void. Stoicism teaches, your effort, it's precious, don't waste it. Epictetus said, it's not what happens, but how you react. The ignorer chooses to stay still. You can't force their steps, so shift. Don't. Repeat. Ask, what did you try last time? Let them answer. If they dodge, that's their truth. Set a boundary. I can share once, but you've got this. Be clear. Your energy. It's not for echoes. Give it to those who act, who grow. Step back. Feel the relief. You're not their teacher. You're just you. Let them learn. Or not. 7. The chaos creator. It's a quiet evening. You're reading phone pings. A friend. Everything's falling apart. Again, their story. It's always a storm, a breakup, a fight, a crisis. The chaos creator, they live in turbulence and pull you in. You want to help, but it's like chasing waves. The more you try, the messier it gets. Stoicism says, you can't calm their sea, only your mind. Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Their drama, it's their choice, not your burden. So don't dive in. Ask, what's one thing you can do? Keep it small. If they spiral, say, I hear you, but I can't fix this. Set a line. Don't let their storm flood your peace. Try this. Next time, smile. Say, sounds intense. You'll figure it out. Step away. Feel the calm. You're not their anchor. You're your own harbor. 8. The ungrateful. You're at work, late, helping a teammate. You stay, you solve it. They grab the credit. No thanks. Just nothing. The ungrateful. They take, like it's owed, your time, your effort. It's air to them. You feel it. That sting. Why did I bother? Stoicism reminds you, your worth, it's not their thanks. It's your choice. Marcus Aurelius said, when you arise, think of what a privilege to be alive. You give because it's you, not for their nod. So, shift. Don't chase their gratitude. Ask, do you need more? If they take, without giving, limit it. I can help once. Be clear. Your energy, it's for those who see it, who value it. Next time, give where it blooms, not where it fades. Step back, feel the freedom. You're not their debt. You're your own gift. 9. The clinger. It's a Saturday. You're out, walking, phone buzzes. A friend, they can't decide what to eat, where to go. They need you to choose. The clinger, they lean hard. Every choice, every step. They want you to carry it. It's heavy. Their weight on your shoulders. Stoicism says, you can't live their life, only yours. Epictetus wrote, we suffer, not from events, but our judgment. The clinger's fear, it's theirs, not yours. So guide, don't carry, ask. What do you think? Push them to stand. If they cling, say, I trust you've got this. Set a boundary, one question. Not their whole day, your strength. It's not their crutch. Give it to those who walk, not lean. Step away, feel the space. You're not their map, you're your own path. 10. The reality dodger. You're at dinner, a friend's talking. Their life, it's a mess, but they say, it's fine. You point it out. Gently, they laugh. You're overthinking. The reality dodger. They build a world where truth bends, problems vanish. If they ignore them, you try to help, you speak. But it's like talking to fog. Stoicism teaches. You can't force their eyes, only guard your mind. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Their denial, it's their shield, not your fight. So don't push, ask, what do you see happening? Let them speak. If they dodge, that's their truth. Say, I'm here, but I can't see for you. Set a line, your energy. It's not for ghosts. Give it to those who face. Not flee, step back, feel the clarity. You're not their mirror. You're your own light. You're back. In that coffee shop, the noise, it's still there, but you're different. You close your laptop, step outside. The air, it's cool. Your mind, lighter. You don't need to save them. The unchanging, the taker, the blamer. You don't need to fix their storms, their chaos. You just need to protect your peace. Stoicism isn't about buying cold or distant. It's about choosing where your heart rests. Your time, your energy, they're yours. Give them where they grow, not where they fade. If this helped you, even for a moment, come back tomorrow. Not to change, just to be still. Your path, it's yours. Walk it quietly, breathe, you're enough, just as you are.